everyone. Today we are learning about Python keyword continue. This is a super useful word in Python. It says skip the rest of this loop turn and go to the next one. So continue is usually used inside a loop like a for loop, while loop. When Python sees continue, it immediately jumps to the next round of the loop. Everything after continue in that round is skipped. Let's look at an example to print numbers from 1 to 10, but skip number 4. So we have for loop, number in range. If number, we want to skip number 4. If number equals 4, we continue. Otherwise, we print numbers. So the range function from 1 is inclusive, 11 is exclusive. So the number will go from 1 to 10. So when number equals 4, Python see, continue. What happened to the print number? The print number will be skipped. So let's run the code. We see the result 3, next is 5 instead of 4. Why? Because the continue after everything after continue is skipped in that round. So let's look at another example, while loop. Count equals 1. While count 6. If count equals 3. Let's try to understand the code. Initialize the count variable as 1. When count value is less equals 6, the body code of while loop will be executed. So then if count equals 3, we increase count number first, then continue. The code after continue will be skipped. So let's guess what's the output. So that's right. So this is the output. 1 initialize the count. Let's write it again. So the count value is initialized as 1, and each time count is increased by 1. Then we have 1, 2, what about 3? When count equals 3, the print, this part is skipped. So after Python see continue, we'll go to the code will jump to the next round. Everything after continue will be skipped. So another question you may have, why we have count plus 1 here. So let's comment out this piece of code. Let's run the program. So you see the after 1 to when count equals 3. This is actually is dead loop. Why? So if there is no count is increased by 1, so when count equals 3, then we go to next round, count equals 3. Then check if count equals 3, yes. Then continue, go to next round. So we see the output is only 1 and 2 because when count equals 3, the value is not changed. So that's why we increased count value first before the continue. So let's run it again. You see it works out. So this is for the lecture. This is the lecture for the continue. If you feel this video is helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.